We're rolling part 2 for tonight. I could say part 5, 6. It's either part 2 or part 6. I did 4 earlier. So there's a tablet in that, a pellet or whatever you want to call it, in there. I can heat that up and drop it down the dump in there, which I'm going to do later. I'm not going to do it right now. So I want like the other end. Same thing on the other end. I got a longer one that I can lower down in there. I'm going to light it with my propane torch just because I don't have my lighter on me. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Don't fall, don't fall, don't fall. I have 2 hands here, so I'm going to have to focus this thing. Yeah, the green thing, that's the funnel. I got to wet it down, but I'm going to light it first, and then I'll... Okay, so down in here I have one of those pellets, cubes, whatever cube. Keep it on there without making it fall off. Come on. Okay. That's some of the 600-mile-an-hour tape. We'll find out if it's fireproof. I figure it'll probably melt. Yeah. Really don't want to stink this thing up. I don't want that on there. I'm going to let it burn off before I put this in. See if it'll burn off. I want to get hickory chips and smoke meat in there. So I really don't want the stink in there. That's most of it. Come on. That stuff kind of melts. Okay, so here we go. I'm going to put this in this end. And with this, I'm doing this to be updraft, right? Because I want to have this be heated up, warmed up. This jacket here, and then I got to pour water on it. Before I forget. I don't want to burn any more of that blanket off than I have to. I've already done. I soaked this a couple hours ago, but I retaped this thing too. I retaped it so it's a little bit more waterproof. I won't lose as much water now. There we go. Not very good vertical. Come on. My pieces of wood are not doing their job. They're supposed to stabilize it. Oh yeah, I couldn't find my, what's the other thing, the doohickey. I got it, bungee balls. I had bungee balls upper, so I had 2 points of stabilization. Now I only have 1. So I got to find that thing sometime. Okay, so let's see it back over here. Go down to the other end.